our articulation spinner game. I'm going to go ahead and click on the ch sound in the medial position to use as an example in our tutorial, but this game is available in many other sounds as well. So to play, you'll just click on this circle that says spin here in the middle, and that will spin the wheel and it will land on one of the pictures, and that will be the target word that the student will say. And with some of these, it can be a little bit tricky to know right away what the picture is. So if you get stuck on any of those, you can just go down here and click the plus sign next to how to use this game, and that will expand that section. And there will be a word list there that you can use if you get stuck. And one other thing to keep in mind is that if your student is working at the sentence level, you could have the student make up a sentence that includes the word, or you could give them a carrier phrase to use with the word, depending on what your student needs. I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel one more time. And you'll notice that this word that we landed on previously stayed outlined, and that's just so that we can keep track of which words we have already done. And so each time a word is selected, it will stay outlined like that. One last thing up here in the corner, if you would like, you can click on the yellow square and that will expand the game to fill your whole screen.